Welcome back everyone. Today we have one more program using the command line arguments. So here you can see I have a class called command line calculator. So I'm going to create a calculator with the arguments and the operator taken from the command line. So if I want say a plus b, I will take the inputs in that order. First a, then the operator, and then the b, then the second argument. So I need to have 3 arguments taken from the command prompt if I want to implement a calculator. So I should be able to write something like this from the command line. I should be able to write like Java command line calculator 2 plus 3. This should give me 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, or I should be able to give 2 minus 3. So this should give me minus 1, and so on. So to implement something like this, I need to give 3 arguments out here. First is the first operand, second is the operator, and third is the second operand. So here in the main function, what we are looking at is first we are checking if the number of arguments is not equal to 3. So if it is not equal to 3, then also the format is not correct, and if it is more than 3 also, the format is not correct. So if the number of arguments passed is not equal to 3, then it should give me a format. It should print this, that is the correct format is this, and then come out of the program. Now if it comes here, if it exits from this if loop without if and this condition is not satisfied, then we will have a variable initialized to 0, and then here I have a switch. So in the switch case structure, the argument that I'm giving here is the argument number 1. That is, if you can recall, the arguments are like this: arg0 will get 2, arg1 will get minus, and arg2 will get 3. And remember, all of these are strings. All of these are strings. And so I'm checking here if my argument, based on the argument that is the operator, okay, we have a switch case. So here I have case plus, case minus, case multiply, and case divide. 4 cases. So 4 operations I'm allowing. So here the result would be, if it is plus, it would be argument 0 plus argument 2. So, and both are all are strings, so I'm converting it into integers. So this is plus, and then break. Second one, argument 1, that is 0 minus argument 2, same for multiplication and same for division. Okay, and finally it is giving me this output in this format: arg0, that is the first operand, followed by the operator, followed by the second argument, and you get the result. So here we are printing the result as first argument plus or minus or whatever is the operator, then second argument, and then the result. So let's run this and see. So let's compile this. So compiled. Now Java command line calculator. Now I have to give in that particular format. So first let me just try giving some other number. So you can see it's telling me incorrect, since the number of arguments is greater than 3. So it is giving me that this format is not correct. What if I give less than 3? Then also it is not correct. Let me give a correct format. So 2 plus 3. So it gives me 2 plus 3 is 5. Let me try with something else, minus. Okay, so there I get minus 1. Let's try with divide. Okay, 12 divided by 3, so I get 4. Now let us try with multiplication. Now you might be wondering, what is this? Because we have given multiplication, but it is giving me the number of arguments is this. Now the reason is because this star or multiplication symbol that we had given here, it is a special symbol in the command line. So there in order to this has a special meaning. The star has a special meaning when we give it from the command line. So it takes it as an operating system command. So we cannot use this star directly. So how do we get around it? So we will have to use some escape sequence here. So we put it within double quotes. Okay, so put this. Now you get 12 into 3 is 36. So 12 into 3. So here for multiplication, because star has a special symbol, you have to put it within double quotes. Now you can modify, you are free to modify the program. Like, let's say, let us modify this program, and let me make this, instead of multiplication, I will just put a dot. Okay, so fine. So because dot is also used for multiplication, so save, then let's compile. Let's compile this. Okay, now instead of multiplication I give a dot, so it gives me 12 into 3 is 36. So this is again another program where we have used command line arguments.